That's not good. Welcome to the channel. If you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Does your Dyson vacuum cleaner keep cutting out when you try to use it? If so, it's probably because your battery is no good. Today, if everything goes to plan, we will be replacing the battery with one I bought off Amazon, because replacement Dyson ones are too expensive. Just what I need. Thank you, Amazon. First, we need to separate the motor and battery from the dust collection compartment by simply pressing on this blue tab, tilting the motor back, lifting it up. Then we have our two halves. We put that one aside because we only need this bit. Then we simply remove the filter like so to expose a screw here, and the other screw is in the back of the handle here. Next, we need to select from our Stanley 20-piece screwdriver kit a 2-point Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going for one with a long shank because I find it easier to control the tip when using a long shank. Next, we take the screwdriver, insert the tip into this hole where the screw is, turning anti-clockwise to remove the screw. Like so, maybe. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky to get out. Got it. And then the same here, screw there. This screw is a lot shorter. As you just remember, when you're putting it back together, long screw in the top and short screw in the bottom. Then the battery will just pull out like so. Chuck that away because it's no good. Get our new battery that we got off Amazon. Insert like so, with the orientation that way. A bit of a whack. Pick up our screws. Remember, long screw in the top. Turning. Short screw in the bottom. Once again, turning clockwise to tighten. And as always, any advice on this channel is of a general nature only. If you're not confident doing this, consult your local Dyson repair specialist. Now that we have our battery in, it's simply a matter of putting the unit back together. We start off by reinstalling the filter, like so, and we get the dust collection canister, line the two halves up and click it together, and we're done. As always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway. That's better. Thanks for watching.